अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए 9th क्लास इंग्लिश चैप्टर नंबर 1 द सेवियर ऑफ मैनकाइंड के क्वेश्चन लेके आई हूँ। ये जो नई बुक्स आई हैं ये उनमें से मैंने चैप्टर लिए हैं, उनके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ माइट द जियोग्राफिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ मक्का मुकरमा इन्फ्लुएंस द रीडर्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इट्स हिस्टोरिकल एंड कल्चरल इम्पोर्टेंस। The description of Makkah's beauty, its sky and vast desert creates a sense of awe, highlighting its central role as a historical and spiritual hub where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, making it culturally significant. Next question है, what does the emphasis on the Arabs' memory and eloquence suggest about their culture before Islam? The Arabs valued oral tradition and excelled in poetry, reflecting a culture rich in storytelling, eloquence, and memory before Islam. Next question. What is the importance of the anecdote about Hamad and Khalifa Walid bin Yazid? It emphasizes the Arabs' literary prowess and the depth of their poetic traditions, highlighting why Arabic was chosen for the final message of Islam. What parallels can you draw between the state of civilization described here and other historical periods of decline renewal? Similar to other civilizations that faced decline before periods of renewal, example the Renaissance or the fall of Roman Empire, this period of chaos before Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam mission reflects the need for a transformative change. Next question. What challenge did the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam face in the proclaiming the oneness of Allah, Tawheed and the unity of mankind? The Rasulullah faced opposition from the pagan Arabs who were threatened by his message and pressured him to renounce it. Next question. In what ways did the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam elevate mankind to a higher level in both spiritual and worldly domains? Through his teachings, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam transformed individuals and society, establishing spiritual guidance and ethical principles that impacted both the personal and social lives of people. Question number 7. How does the final Quranic verse encapsulate the role and mission of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The verse summarizes Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam role as the witness bearer of good news, warner and guide to the light of faith, highlighting his comprehensive mission. Question number 8. How does the author view the pre-Islamic Arabs? Write down the examples and the evidence supporting your interference. The author views pre-Islamic Arabs as a people with remarkable eloquence and memory as demonstrated by their poetry and literary traditions. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।